Today I am reviewing the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D 8-core. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At its core, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D features 8 cores and 16 threads, which has proven to be one of the best configurations for gaming on the market. While many applications and heavy multitasking scenarios can benefit from higher core counts, most games still rely heavily on strong single-thread performance, smart architectural design, and fast cache access. Zen 5 brings an impressive instructions per clock uplift of around 16% compared to the previous generation. This means that even at the same clock speed, the processor performs faster and handles workloads more efficiently. With this IPC jump combined with smart architectural improvements, you get smoother gameplay, faster rendering, and better responsiveness across a wide range of applications. One of the defining features of this processor is the massive 96 megabytes of L3 cache made possible with AMD's advanced 3D cache stacking. This technology is the primary reason the X3D processors have been so dominant in gaming performance. By placing additional cache directly above the compute dies, AMD significantly reduces data access latency and increases the amount of game-related data that the processor can store close to the cores. This results in better frame pacing, improved minimum frame rates, and more stable performance in titles that are sensitive to memory and cache behavior. Games that rely on large worlds, complex AI, and heavy scene streaming benefit tremendously from the expanded cache structure. Even in esports titles where every millisecond matters, the 9800X 3D provides noticeably smoother frame times and more consistent performance. Clock speeds have also improved compared to previous X3D models. The Ryzen 7 9800X 3D can reach frequencies up to 5.2 GHz while maintaining better thermal performance. This is an important upgrade because earlier X3D processors typically ran at lower clock speeds due to thermal and voltage limitations. The improved thermals and efficiency of Zen 5 allow the new model to hit higher speeds while still keeping temperatures in check. This combination of high frequency, large cache, and strong IPC uplift creates a processor that excels across a wide variety of game engines and genres. Another significant advantage of the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D is that it uses the same proven AM5 socket infrastructure. For anyone already running an AM5 motherboard, the upgrade process is simple and straightforward. This drop in compatibility means you can reuse your existing board, memory, and most of your cooling hardware, making it one of the most cost-efficient ways to upgrade to a next-generation gaming experience. Even for new system builders, AM5 offers access to DDR5 memory, PCIe Gen 5, and all the latest platform features that ensure long-term support and high bandwidth performance for years to come. One thing buyers should be aware of is that the processor does not include a cooler. This is common among high-performance CPUs because users who purchase these chips generally prefer choosing their own cooling solution, whether that means a high-end air cooler or a powerful liquid cooling setup. While the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D is more thermally efficient than previous generations, a good cooler will help you maintain stable temperatures, achieve optimal boost behavior, and ensure quiet operation during heavy gaming. When you put this processor into a gaming system and start playing, the difference is immediately noticeable. Open-world games feel more fluid during high-speed traversal. CPU-intensive titles maintain higher minimums, reducing the micro stutters that can disrupt immersion. Simulation games and strategy titles with large amounts of background calculation feel more responsive. Competitive shooters benefit from the extremely low latency and stable frame delivery. Even older or less optimized games gain significant improvements thanks to the large cache and architectural enhancements. The Ryzen 7 9800X 3D consistently delivers performance that feels smooth, stable, and reliable regardless of game genre. Outside of gaming, the processor still performs extremely well in content creation and productivity tasks. The 8 cores and 16 threads offer plenty of capability for video editing, streaming, programming, and running multiple applications at once. While higher core count processors may still outperform it in heavy workstation workloads, the 9800X 3D is no slouch. It provides a strong balance between gaming and productivity that makes it suitable for users who want a versatile system capable of handling both work and play efficiently. The overall experience of using this CPU highlights how effectively AMD has refined and evolved their technology. Zen 5 delivers meaningful architectural improvements. The next-generation 3D cache enhances gaming performance in a way few other hardware upgrades can match. The higher clock speeds allow the processor to push even further when needed. The efficient power consumption ensures cooler operation and lower energy use. And the compatibility with AM5 gives users a clear upgrade path and long-term value. In summary, the AMD Ryzen 7 800X3D is not just a fast gaming processor. It is one of the most well-rounded and intelligently designed chips available today. It delivers the world's fastest gaming performance, outstanding efficiency, excellent thermals, and impressive responsiveness across a range of tasks. For gamers who want the absolute best experience, for creators who want strong performance without sacrificing gaming power, and for PC enthusiasts who appreciate cutting-edge technology, this processor is a top-tier choice. It sets a new standard for what gaming CPUs can achieve and represents one of the most compelling upgrades you can make to your system.